sir. I received an encrypted transmission from an untraceable source. It claims that Tosh here was part of a classified operation called Project Shadowblade. They used Jorium and Terrazine to enhance ghost powers.
It's true. We are called Spectres. Next generation ghosts.
And you were gonna tell me all this when?
We all have our secrets, Mr. Raynor. Doesn't mean I'm any threat to you.
Maybe not. But whoever sent this message could be. Matt, any way to verify the transmission?
No, sir. But it does end with, "I'll be in touch soon."
It's Minsk, trying to turn us against each other. Don't let him.
I'll let it lie for now. At least till I find out who sent this transmission. But I'll be keeping an eye on you, Tosh.
You can try. Still don't trust me, brother. Until you decide, ain't nothing to discuss.
That Tosh is a whack job, Jimmy. Spends all his time muttering and playing around with those damn dolls of his.
Well, I need someone to balance out your sophistication and good manners.
The guy ain't riding ahead, brother. I can appreciate some good honest craziness. But that guy, he's got something broke inside.
I repeat, death toll is in the thousands. A Dominion weapons plant exploded hours ago, causing a chain reaction that has taken out several housing complexes in this working-class neighborhood. Dominion security forces claim it was an act of terror by the notorious Jim Raynor, but our own investigations suggest that the plant must have been infiltrated by forces with sophisticated stealth technologies. It begs the question, could some of the Dominion's ghost operatives have gone rogue? For UNN, this is Kate Lockwell reporting from the core world, Nephor 2.
Do it all just the same. Nothing would change.
I've run a few tests on the Terrazine gas like you asked. It's clearly related to Vespene gas, but there are some very exotic organics added into the mix.
Any guesses what it's used for?
Well, it would definitely affect brain chemistry, so it could be used as some kind of drug or stimulant, I suppose.
Drugs, huh? That's just wonderful.
So we're pirates ourselves these days. Hey, Kaczynski, got any rum? Arr.
What do you make of that encrypted message, Matt?
I honestly don't know, sir. If Tosh really is one of these Spectres, it's clear Mengsk would try to ruin your partnership. But Tosh isn't telling us everything. If we're going to win this revolution...
I know. We have to be sure of our allies.
We've received reports of a new Dominion salvage operation on Tarsonis. They're running a large number of supply trains with minimal security. If we intercept the trains and liberate their contents before they can be shipped off-world, we could make a serious profit.
Never thought we'd be back to this graveyard again. What have we got, Matt?
The Dominion's restored power to the old rail network. They're using the trains to move salvage to a central processing station. Our informants say the Dominion's found something unusually valuable. and they're transporting it to the processing station today. It's on one of these trains, but unfortunately they're all scan shielded, so we can't tell which one. We'll have to hit as many as we can and hope we get lucky.
Hope we get lucky? That ain't the usual Matt Horner plan.
You got a better one, sir. I'm all ears.
It's all good, Matt. You sold me. Well, let's go rob ourselves some trains. Old Tychus is gonna love this one.
You gonna get armed and ready.
Sir, it turns out there are a few Confederate vehicles in the hills the Dominion haven't salvaged yet.
Diamondbacks. Man, I didn't think they made it past prototyping. Their rail guns will be great for stopping those trains. No pun intended. I'll upload their schematics to our factory network.
There may be other vehicles around that we can commandeer. We should keep our eyes open.
What's the plan? What?
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Big job. In the rear with the gear.
What's on your mind? At the ready.
SCV ready.
Excellent. Go on.
What's going on? Uh-huh. Yeah, whatever. SCV ready.
I like it. Of course. Go. What needs killing? What?
SCV ready.
My pleasure. What's the plan?
Go ahead. Huh?
Additional supply depots. Insufficient SPU gas.
Yeah.
At the ready. On the move. Victory is ours. I'm waiting. My pleasure.
Additional supply depots. A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
In the rear with the gear.
What's on your mind? At the ready.
SCV.
Not enough minerals.
Gangway coming through.
I like it.
You gonna give me orders?
SCV ready.
How devious. Go on.
SCV ready.
Been by the numbers, boys.
Of course. On the move. My pleasure.
Excellent work, sir. We can utilize the train's scrap payload to build more units.
Not enough minerals.
This better be good.
What's the...
Armed and ready.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals.
Huh?
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Yes, sir.
What's on your mind? In the rear with the gear. At the ready. I like it.
Insufficient gasoline gas.
What needs killing?
SCV ready.
How devious. Excellent. Victory is up.
Ah! You scared me!
Not enough minerals. Insufficient Vespine gas.
SCV ready.
What?
The doctor is in.
Of course. Excellent.
SCV ready.
How devious. On the move. My pleasure. I like it.
Huh?
Insufficient Vespine gas. A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Check it out, Jimmy. Dominion started sending escorts to protect the trains.
SCV ready. Who wants some? Big job, huh?
Go.
This better be.
At the... What's the plan?
SCV ready.
Victory is ours.
Go, go.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
You gonna give me orders? SCV ready.
Of course. How devious. I like it. My pleasure. What's on your mind?
Upgrade.
SCV ready. Armed and ready.
Excellent. Of course. Victory is ours.
Ah, I can't be.
Get me out of here.
Yo,
I'm
by the number. In the rear.
at the ready.
This better be good.
How devious. I like it. On the move.
What's going on? Huh?
My pleasure.
Go, go, go!
Excellent. Of course.
SCV ready.
What's the go on. Victory is ours.
Commander, I'm picking up increased comm traffic from the Dominion. Sounds like they're planning to attack our base. We better be ready.
SCV ready. Who wants some?
What? Excellent. My pleasure.
SCV ready.
What needs killing?
Base is under attack.
This better be good. You want a piece of me, boy? I'm going.
Upgrade complete.
I'm waiting.
SCV ready.
A train is exiting the southern tunnel.
Of course. On the move.
Armed and ready.
How devious. Excellent.
Looks like we found all the Confederate Diamondbacks, sir. This should really help out against the trains.
SCV ready.
What needs killing?
Gangway coming through.
here.
Yo,
Upgrade complete.
SCV ready.
Excellent. On the move. Of course. I like it. What?
SCV
The
ready.
Dominion are constructing a series of bunkers to protect the tracks. Be careful.
My pleasure. Excellent.
SCV ready.
How devious.
Armed and ready.
What's on your mind?
Gangway, coming through.
Ah! You scared me!
Who wants some?
Add-on complete.
In the rear with the gear.
Get me out of here.
Yo,
You want a piece of me, boy?
that's a negatory. It's blocked.
Big job, huh?
You're the boss. I'm going. Yep. I can't build here.
How devious. What?
Armed and ready. They've been waiting on you.
Get me out of here.
Upgrade complete.
On the move. Of course. What's the plan? Victory is ours. Excellent. I like it. How devious. My pleasure. Victory is ours.
Want a piece of me, boy?
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
On the move.
Go, go, go! You gonna give me orders?
Excellent.
SCV ready.
At the ready. Of course. On the move. How devious. I like it. Victory is ours. Excellent. My pleasure. How devious.
Go on.
Get me out of here.
Kaboom, baby!
I like it. Of course. How devious. Victory is ours. Excellent.
Go, go, go!
My pleasure.
It's go time.
Armed and ready.
On the move.
Goliath online.
I like it. How devious. Of course. Victory is
Who
ours.
wants some?
My pleasure.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Excellent. At the ready. On the move. What's on your mind?
You gonna give me orders? Gangway, coming through. You want a piece of me, boy? You got it. Brand new.
Get me out of here.
Who wants some?
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
How devious.
Bad news?
Get me out of here.
Huh?
Go on.
Goliath online.
You want a piece of me, boy? Go, go, go!
Get me out of here.
Big job, huh? Woo-hoo! What's going on? But
I'm waiting. Of course. Like it. Go on. What's the plan?
get heavy. Big job, huh? Kaboom, baby!
Systems function.
Huh? Sure thing.
Sir, I'm detecting Dominion kill teams patrolling the tracks with large groups of marauders.
Let's have a blast.
I'll mark their location with a red warning symbol. Still, you should try to avoid them.
Victory is ours. I'm waiting. I like it. What's the plan? Go on. Of course. Huh?
It's about to get heavy. Who wants some?
What needs killing? What's on your... I'm waiting. Go on.
This better be good.
I like it. Of course. Excellent. I like it. Victory is ours.
Armed and ready.
Mineral field depleted.
Of course. My pleasure. Excellent. I like it. Victory is
Vespene geyser exhausted.
Of course.
Armed and ready.
Unacceptable command. We are at maximum supply.
What's on your mind?
Bad news?
Assistance required.
My pleasure.
Mineral field depleted. A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Looks like the Dominion ran out of whatever they were juicing the trains with. They're putting out bigger escorts, though. We better watch ourselves.
Excellent. I like it. How devious.
Sir, we're detecting electrical activity in the wreckage.
Now let's see what they were so fired up to get their hands on.
Adjutant 23-46 online. System recording. New Gettysburg Defense Initiative. Submit access codes.
Well, I'll be. It's an old Confederate adjutant. What intel's so important they'd go and dig her up to recover it?